Hello viewers, welcome to my WebCoachbd channel. In my first tutorial, I show you the basic structure of HTML. Today I will discuss about elements and attributes of HTML documents. So let's begin the work. First of all, you need to open Sublime Text Tree. I hope you all already installed this in your PC. So save your file from file to save as, give a name elements.html and select file type HTML. I save this in my folder WebCoachbd. You also create a folder and save your page. So save. Elements are usually consist with starting tag and end tag and all content inserted in between. Like if we want to create a paragraph, then we will use the P element. This is the starting of P element and then end of P, and in between we will use our content. This is a paragraphs. So let's see our content in the browser. Open our page with a browser. Here you can see our content is here. So this is the uses of element. Some elements have no content. We called this empty element, and empty elements have no end tag. Sometimes we use the line break, so it has no end tag, just starting of break line. So now we can type the another line. This is another paragraphs. So again, see in the browser, refresh. Here you can see for the line break, our next line comes as a second line in here. So you can understand this is the use of elements. All HTML documents also consist with nested HTML elements. Nested elements is that have another elements, like elements can contain elements is called nested elements. So in our previous lecture we see the basic structure of HTML. So doc type HTML, we know this indicates the HTML5. Then we will use the HTML elements for whole document, and it has a starting tag. This is the starting tag, and we will use the end tag. This is the end tag, and in this HTML element we can use the another element like body for document body. It has also a starting tag and end tag, and in between if we use the another elements, we can say h1 for biggest heading. We can use this here. So this is heading 1, save. So in the body element we use the heading element. So, elements under element is the nested elements, and we shouldn't forget that all elements have the end tag. So don't forget to use this, because without using the end tag, unexpected results or errors might be produced. So we should be careful about this, and we should use the lowercase for all elements. Now let's try to understand the attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. All elements have attributes, and those are always specified in starting tag. For example, sometimes we use the link in our web page. So now let's see how to use this. For link element, we use A for link, and we use the reference half, EF half, then is equal to, then we will use the double quotation, and double quotation for attributes value. We will type a browser address here for a link, like HTTP. This is the browser address, like www.google.com. We are using a web address here to see the link. Here we can type, this is a link, li, and link, and end of link element, then save and see in the browser, refresh. Here you can see our link address is here. So click on this link. Our link is coming here, you can see. So this is the use of a link. We can also use image. For example, sometimes we use image in our web page. So how can we do this? Let's see. For image, we will use the image tag, and then image search, src, search, then is equal to double quotation, then forward slash, bracket close. Image tag also have no end tag. This is only the starting tag. So here we will type the image source. I already download a image. For example, you can also use any kind of image. So here is the image. I will type the address in here, natural image dot jpg. So this name will be same here, then save, and let's see again in the browser. Here you can see the image is coming in our web page. So this is about attributes. We can use much more attributes with elements. In our next tutorial, we will discuss more about attributes and also the styling of a page. So thank you to stay with me. See you in the next tutorial.